Hey, hello everyone. This is a tutorial on how to submit the first slurm job with some additional trick on using Jupyter Notebook and using interactive sessions. And to do so, we first need to set up a virtual environment. Here we're setting up a general purpose machine learning environment. You just need to follow this, the red lines, and this is just cd to the root. This loads a Python to put the version here. This loads all the math required library like NumPy. This load OpenCV. Just as an example, you don't need to load this. And this loads slurm. And now you can create your virtual env. So you must run this command. I don't recommend you to run any conduct stuff. I just changed the name here because I had a couple already. So this will open up a new virtual env, and of course you can activate it. So to activate it, you just need to run this. Again, my name is a little bit different. And pip install all the common packages, including pip, torch, for PyTorch if you would do machine learning. And again, you can find available wheels within the wheels means installable software packages within those links. So this is a Python wheel, and also show you how to install virtual env. This is a PyTorch tutorial. I think in the future I will also put another link for available views. I probably put the wrong one here. Oh, actually, this is not only Python wheel, but also all the wheels available to different versions of Python. So you can find a bunch of Python libraries here. Okay, now it's done. I will also install some Jupyter related because I have a demo for a Jupyter Notebook. Okay, good. So you can deactivate now. Your environment is actually ready. And well, because the module load have a problem that it's not persistent between sessions, you want to automate the module load behavior. You don't want to do this all the time before you activate the environment. So you can vim into this, insert and put all the module load commands before. Make sure it's at the top. Before this activate script, so that next time when you activate the virtual env, you don't need to worry about anything. Literally, you don't need to worry about anything. Cool. Now everything's set up. Let me module purge it. So I can module list first to let you see. Okay, I have this OpenCV and module purge. Those will be gone. So we can module list again. Okay, OpenCV is definitely gone. But we need that for the environment, and because we automate it, you will see it's back when I activate the environment. So let's module list again, and you will see that it is there. So cool. So now you have a really good foundation on the environment. Let's submit the first slurm job. So make sure to cd into the job folder. This is a hard requirement. So you will see when you're ls in your home dir, you have a job environment. Again, put your username, not mine here. And you will make a directory called submission test. I already made one, so I don't want to run this again. And just cd into there. we'll create a test.py. So when test.py insert. So this test.py will just print out all the available GPUs, the RAM, the CPU, torch version, CV2. So if we're not using the HPC resources, it will show up. We'll also create a slurm job scripts. This is in generally like a basic template. Like you can modify everything configurations based on your username, first of all, different job folder, etc. Different resource allocation. Here, I'm only asking for a really simple one, which is memory, CPU, GPU stuff. And of course, run the test.py. So let's WIMP, I will call it slurm test.sh. Then install, save. Okay, cool. So you have those there. And this is just I preloaded in my VS Code. Okay, now you can literally just submit this slurm job. You're submitting. Okay, so it's run. If you want to check the status, you can do sacctj 417245, and you will see, okay, it's still running. Oops, I didn't expect that. Okay, we're unlucky, I guess. The last time is really fast. Okay, interesting. Okay, I guess it's on. Okay, because I see that file. Okay, completed. Usually it's fast because Killarney is a huge cluster. And you will see, okay, we have a L40S allocated. We have memory around 5 gigabytes. We have torch version, exactly what we installed, CV2 as well. So, okay, so this is just like a one-on-one on submitting slurm job. Here I'm going to show how to open up an interactive session with GPU. So interactive sessions are useful for debugging or test a pipeline before you submit to Slurm, because debugging with Slurm is painful. But interactive shell, it's just like when you're using your own computer. So here I'm requesting again a really simple L4TS GPU CPU for something similar. And you can see we already changed from logging node to the compute node. This is automatic. If it's not, you can do this, and it will bring you to the compute node. And again, you can see the virtual M is not loaded, so you want to load it again. So source bin MLM for bin to it. And we activate our GPU. Virtual M, and of course you can just use this drop node as a regular terminal, and you can maybe run something like this, right? And maybe you can change this to 1. So to run this, you will see exactly what you want. And okay, so this is easy, and I will show you what, because some people they like to use Jupyter Notebook. And you can actually link this terminal with the GPU to the Jupyter Notebook, and here's how to do it. So you just need to run this command, and this will open up a Jupyter server. It's sort of like a backend, and you receive this URL, and of course you can do a test Jupyter Notebook. and let's just run the same script again. So you want to configure the server such that you use this URL. And you can see it's already connected, and you can run this. You'll see, okay, they are definitely connected. And it's successfully finished the job. So yeah, this is the whole tutorial. I hope you enjoy it and burn those GPUs.